Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Aflac account. So basically follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Aflac Login. Aflac Login, just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says Aflac, click on it. Once you do that, it should take you to aflac.com, which is the official website for Aflac. Once you're over here where it says username, enter the username of your account, and where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Aflac account. And if you forgot your username, you can click on this to recover your username. And if you forgot your password, you can click on this to recover your password for your account. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I'll see you guys next time.